Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I'm excited to show you what's in the September Allure Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with Allure, it is a monthly subscription. You'll get some deluxe samples, some regular samples, some full-size items. Sometimes you get to pick an item, which we did get to do this month. I'm very excited. The box is $25 a month if you just get it month to month. It's $21.33 quarterly if you do it that way. A lot of times there's discounts for your first box or sign up freebies, which there is now. So I will leave a link below for the Allure website so you can check and see. These prices may even be different. I think these are the accurate prices though. So $25 box, and it goes down depending on how many months at a time you buy. I do mine quarterly, so I pay for 3 months at a time. So mine's just around $20 a month for mine. So let's see what we got. I don't remember what's in here except for the item that I picked, and I'm excited about it. This always just comes with the tape over the front, so you untape it up, and the inside we have our booklet and just a sheet of colored tissue paper over the top. The Allure Beauty book has information about some of the products that we have in here, actually quite a few of them, so this is really cool. Now this box says it will come with 6 or more items, and we have more than 6 items, so I'm very excited. I'm going to start with the item that we got to pick. Anybody who was subscribed to Allure before this box shipped got to pick a Nude Sticks blush, cream blush color. Mine is Picante, so it is kind of an orangey color, orangey red, and it has a brush at the other end. Cool. Okay, so it's fully stocked for you. So, ooh, wow. Okay, that is way brighter orange than it looked like it was gonna be. You guys can see that's kind of a fluorescent orange, and it does not look, it looks way orangier than the lid. But that is pretty. It actually would go good with my shirt I have today. I am already using some orange blushes that I got from P. Louise, and I love them, so I'm excited to have another one. And to have the little brush at the end, you can just dab it on and rub it around, and that's kind of how I put mine on already. I use a little beauty blender, but a beautiful Nude Sticks blush, and this one is... This is a full size, obviously, and this is a $35 value for this Nude Sticks, and it's really cute. It has a little heart on the bottom, but already more than our box cost for this one item, and we have a box full of stuff left. So the next thing we've got is a Dove turmeric, a Dove turmeric and milk lemon drop plant milk cleansing balm bar. This is a soap bar from Dove. I am not going to open it because I don't use bar soap. I'm going to find this to give it to somebody else. I use shower gels and different things. I just don't like a bar soap. Even for my face, I use gels. So I'll find a nice home for this one. Let's see what it says. This is a full size, I can tell you, just because it's a big bar soap. This says this is a $5.99 value, and it's a 6-ounce bar of soap. It does smell really good, though. I do like the smell. If it came in a shower gel, I'm all over it. Our next item is a lip liner from Allure, A-T-E-L-I-E-R, and it's a lip pencil, and the color is Stella. And this is a full-size $18 value, and it looks like it's going to be a really pretty kind of maroon color. I'm not going to open it because I just am about to get a ton of lip pencils from P. Louise. Watch that box when we get it. It should be here hopefully in the next week. This is one of the months that comes late, and I don't like it, but it's still going to get here. So I'm getting a whole dozen lip pencils. So until I know what colors I'm getting, I'm not opening anymore. But $18 full-size lip pencil from Allure. I think that's Allure. If you guys know if it's A-T-E-L-I-E-R. If this is not Allure, please let me know in the comments how to pronounce that. So I'm going to call it Allure until I know different. Our next item is a deluxe sample, and this is from Banilla, not vanilla. Banilla Co. Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm. This is a deluxe sample. This is 7 mils. A full size is 100 mils for $22. So this is not a high value item, but it is cute. It's a little purple cleansing balm. So this is a great one for travel. Even though it's not very big and it's not very expensive, it's still nice. The nice thing is if you really like it, it's not a whole lot of money to grab the new one, or to grab the full size if you like it. All of these products come with a discount code for Allure to buy the full size. So you can buy, even the full size ones, you can buy another one with a 20% discount with this code. So that's pretty cool. Our next item is from Red Flower, and this is a Palo Santo cleansing hair wash. This is a 40 ml size, so this is a little bit more than an ounce. The full size is 300 mils, so that would be 10 ounces. So you get obviously not a whole ton here, but the full size would only be $38 if you do like it. And I am going to try that and see if I do like it. Our next item in the box is from Ren, and this is the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, and I do get dark circles. If you watch the try-on video I just did, you'll see my dark circles because I didn't have any makeup on when I started. So this is a dark circle corrector. So I'm excited to try that. I am willing to try anything that will fix my dark circles. So giving that a shot. This, and the one in this box is actually the full size. This is a 15 mil size, and this is a $51 value. So we got another full-size product, 15 mils, a full size for the Ren product. Our last item is from Beauty for Certain, and this is a lip gloss, and I feel like I have this exact lip gloss in my bathroom right now. This is Diamond. It's a sparkly one, and the one I have is also, and these do come cellophane wrapped, so 100% not opening this until I need it. But this is full size, and this is a $22 value. I do love these. These are just a great little lip gloss. So Beauty for Certain, and it's a great purse size. It's not very big, even though it is full size. So for our full size items, we got 5. We got our blush that we got to pick. We got a lip liner. We got a soap bar. We got the Beauty for Certain lip gloss and the Ren Eye Brightening Cream. For our samples, we got a hair cleanser and a face cleanser. So great box for $25, you guys. This is a great one. Allure is one of my favorite boxes. I know now that Birchbox has actually increased their box price to $25. Spoiler alert, I canceled my subscription. It wasn't that it wasn't worth it. It just was the stuff that was in it wasn't exciting to me. It was good stuff, and it was good products, and I did use a lot of it. But the Allure box is funner for me. I really like it a lot better. You can fully customize the Birchbox. There's nothing wrong with it. I may resubscribe later on. They're improving. They're growing. They're doing better things. But Allure is my favorite. I'm going with Allure. If I had to pick between the two, it's going to be Allure. So I really like this one. I will leave that link for you guys below if you want more information on Allure. If you did like this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.